Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to retrieve prepaid meter token from Access Bank. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Access Bank application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you get the Access Bank app from? You can get it from Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Access Bank mobile app and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. After installing, it's going to take you right into the sign up page. We're going to be asked to either log in using an existing Access Bank credentials or to register by opening a new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into the Access Bank homepage, where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Access Bank. So once you get there, this is what you can do to retrieve your prepaid meter token from Access Bank. From the home page, of course, after logging in, you're going to see the bills payment title right there on your dashboard. The dashboard in your home page, you're going to find bills payment title. Now go ahead and click on bills payment. Once you click on bills payment, you're going to be provided with a couple of options. Go ahead and click on history. After clicking on the history icon on the top right corner of the bill payment screen, navigate to your transaction. After navigating to your transaction, you will see that the token will be displayed under the transaction. So once you do that, that's it. You'll be able to retrieve your prepaid meter token from Access Bank. Let's go over the process again. From your dashboard, you're going to see the bills payment title. Go ahead and click on that. And then once it takes you to the bills payment window, go ahead and click on the history icon on the top right corner of the screen. After doing that, navigate to your transaction. And once you navigate to your transaction, the token will be displayed under the transaction. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.